is the music room these days? This construction has everything. Oh, music book. Well, oh my, okay, I gotta be more careful, gotta keep it together, because the gala's around the corner. I'm Sonia McKay, otherwise known as Peter's mom. I am a third grade parent here at the Basilica School of St. Mary, and I'm so excited to be back as your host for this year's gala, Mardi Gras on Green Street. Now, we have a big ask this year from the HSA, but we know that when we raise money, instantaneous change happens. Now, this does look like a construction site because it is. In 2 years, this is going to be an incredible arts center for our students. But we can do better. We can have an elevated experience for them. And that's what we heard from this summer's listening tours from Mr. Loya. You want to have more creative arts, more strings, more chorus, and tactile art experiences. But that means that we have to kick in the funds. But imagine what this space could be. Let's hear directly from Mrs. Casey and Mrs. Luchtefeld on what their dream classrooms could look like.
This classroom would be made even better if we could expand on its size. It's a really small space for 28 students. Also, it would be great to have a sink that works properly. Right now, the water has to be drained up, and it makes a lot of noise. It startles all the kids, and it's just a wash bin. So maybe like having 2 or 3 sinks where students could come up together and wash their paintbrushes and really do their part cleaning up.
You want to do 2 and 2?
Every time in the beginning of each year, I ask all of my classes what is something that they want to do in the art room. And 95% of the time they say clay. And we do clay, but it's air dry, which is significantly different. If we had a kiln and they could actually create true ceramic pieces, it would be a game changer. Regardless of it being visual arts or clay, it's really nice to see the progression of students from kindergarten all the way through 8th grade. And I think having something like a kiln, something that's a little bit more permanent, would be such a great addition to our school.
Through my teaching style of music, I really want them as individuals to find the 1 or 2 things in music that makes them feel like a musician. My dream music room would be risers in the actual room, so students of all ages can stand and sit from K to 8 when we have all of our concerts. Soundproofing on the walls, we make a lot of noise. Closets for all the instruments. The old music room didn't have closets, so we were kind of putting everything on the outside, but mainly a large space where we can move. Dance is a big part of music, singing and playing games where they feel like they have space to be creative and have fun. So that would be my dream.
Gosh, I'm inspired. I think of how wonderful it was to be at the Christmas concert and see all of our beautiful children's artworks on the wall and then see their little cherubic faces perform so beautifully. The Basilica School of St. Mary's Creative Arts Center is a project that is going to cost $175,000. It will start this summer, so we need to fundraise today. HSA parents, get to it. We want to see the creative arts come alive.